forgot to say that this car is so compact that getting in and out of garages is really easy. Hey, Tenken Gadgets here. All right, so come to drive and then come to here, driving, and put it on sport. That should be good. Sport mode it is. Let's go. Let's see how fast it can stack up to this Tesla. I mean, don't get me wrong though, Porsche cars are really great. Porsche got great cars, but compared to the Tesla, it's nothing. Trust me. And this is even a Model 3. So imagine if I have a Model S and what it holds. Just another day fun drive. I think chasing that Model 3 right there is kind of one of a kind. Yeah, it goes a lot faster than people think. Really, it does. Yep, that's a Porsche. Yeah, that's a Porsche Panamera. I think it's a new model. Probably 2020 model, I guess. And it's moving, like it's really going fast. I gotta say that driving this car in town feels great. What it feels like driving a Tesla every day. Honestly, it's a feeling that you never get tired of. You don't just get tired of it at all. This is a three-way deadlock. I don't know. I'm just going. Okay. Try to get some footage as I can before my GoPro overheats. Honestly, that's crazy. That's great. Slow down. You can actually change the braking, either standard or low. So I have mine on standard, and when you take your foot off the gas, it's a little bit harder when it stops. One thing that I wish though, I wish the car has a way to improve the charging by using energy stored from braking, and also kinetic energy as well while you drive. So braking, cornering, turning, and all that. I wish that the car could regenerate energy, could use that extra energy, store it. So I don't know if that's the thing with Tesla. I really don't know. Maybe that is. I have no idea. I wouldn't know. But the way the battery goes down, especially with the performance version that I have right now, is kind of alarming, because I charged it 90% yesterday, and today it's already at 53%. That's kind of yeah, strange. That's really strange. Let me see how hot is this thing. Okay, it's still relatively good. Driving in traffic, turn the AC, put it on 3, then right there. It's a nice, beautiful, sunny weather. Perfect day to drive. Perfect day for a Tesla. Oh my God, I'm loving this. I can't really be aggressive when I'm driving, to be honest with you, if I wanted to, but people really got good cars around this part of the city where I live at. Great cars around here, and I'm one of them. I know. Oh, there's a cop right there. I don't know what the fuck is going on right there, but I think it's something. I think there's something going on. I don't know about. Maybe an accident or something. Okay, no, it's just a little bit of back end or something. Yeah, this area got lots of great cars. Lots of people out here are kind of updated with cars. And there was a car show last week. I think I missed out on that one. I would have gone if I had the chance to. Yeah. Who cares? So let me switch up to camera so you have a view of everything. 360-degree view around me. Despite the fact that I still have this VR vision right here, but still I like the 360 peripheral vision, aerial angle, front, sides, rear at the same time on one screen. Impressive. Just impressive. So now heading into more commercial parts, still residential, but as the new Panda Express just came out. This is so great. Now I'm in another, I think that's a Volvo. Volvo are just not good cars. I don't like Volvo. Drink a lot of gas. Just other companies failed. This is a more residential area. By the way, lots of cicadas are out here right now. I don't know how, because last year we didn't see these guys last year, but this year they're kind of all over the place. So now I'm driving on autopilot strictly, and this is where Tesla really shines and outperforms every car out there on the road. Okay, that's me behind the wheel. I just did that a little bit. 36 miles an hour. I think it's a 35 mile an hour street, and the car just maintains that 36 mile an hour range. That's crazy. It does a great job when it comes to navigating and all that, sticking to the road. See, only Tesla gives you that avenue of enjoying self-drive. And meanwhile, I can just enjoy the view, enjoy the road. I don't trust the car too much here, so I'm gonna just take over a little bit. Another thing I would love in a Tesla is maybe in the future is, let's say you're driving, right, and you just say autopilot enable. You just take your hand on the wheel and it goes. And then when you want the car, you just say give me the wheel or let go or something. Now it's on cruise. I don't have to throttle down or nothing. It's gonna maintain its cruise, but I don't need that to do that right now. I need the wheel. So what I have to do is just hit the brake and it's gonna get me off cruise control. Golf course right there. That's a Lexus. The Tesla can go in places the Lexus can't. You know. Yeah, it's a good day for golf today. It's a good day. It's sunny though. It's about 90 degrees outside, but it's pretty nice to play golf. petrol car will just give you that raw power sound. So I still have love for petrol cars, but just now, yeah, I don't have that much anymore. Cup right there. Stop. Let's come here. Let's go up here. Turn off camera. GPS. Okay, it's me. Let's go. That's a Chevrolet right there. That car is crazy. I'm telling you. I'm sorry about that. I started driving really fast and my camera just fell off. I'm sure people are wondering, what's the Tesla doing in a gas station? I know. What am I doing here? Well, okay, let me enable camera. I need that. I'm on a blind spot right now, so I need vision around me. Okay. All right. Yeah. I'm really sorry about that. It fell off. It just, yeah, I was going about 80 miles an hour and it just dropped. It happens. Everyone goes through that. So I think I'll try to drive a little slower here because the road is kind of a little bit it's been under construction, so there are still potholes and contours and all that on the road. So take it easy here, especially after my GoPro just fell down. I have to be easy down here. Which is funny because the construction on this road I've been going on for what? About, I don't know, 6 months. Yeah, so this is where we are. Parked next to I think that's the BMW EV right there next to me. And yeah, overall thoughts on the car is just, I can't get enough of this, and it's nice to be part of a community and be part of something great. Anyway guys, I'm back home, so I hope you'll enjoy this drive, man. Thank you all for watching the video, and I will catch you guys. By the way, game reviews will still come. I've been really busy the past couple of days, so I hope I will still bring you guys my regular tech videos and game videos and such. So thank you guys for watching the video, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Tenken Gadgets. Instagram Tenken __. Be safe and get your vaccine. Garage door open, and I'm out.